Okay. All right. So there will be times na makikita nyo once you open Unity Hub, although you're using a free Unity free, makikita mo no active licenses. Okay? Nangyayari talaga yan, especially if you're using the free personal edition. Ang gagawin mo lang ganito. So just click on manage licenses. Yan. And then please log in. So log in lang ako. Yan. So once I click log in, may mag-open tong browser na to, and then you just type in your password, which I'm not sure if I still remember my password, pero wait lang I'll stop sharing and I'll just type in my password. How do I stop sharing? Yan. Okay, I'll stop presenting while I type in my password. Hopefully it's logged in. All right, ayan. Okay, so let me share again. Saan na yun? Let me share. Yan. Okay? Yan. So I typed in my password. Hopefully I'm still... Okay, let me just see. Okay, that's good. Alright, so I typed in my password, tapos open Unity Hub. Pagka-type mo yung password, lalabas yung pop-up na to. Let's open Unity Hub. Ayan. Okay, so makikita mo, okay na siya. Just click on add license. Pagka-login mo dito sa browser, open yung Unity Hub, tapos add license. And then just click here on get a free personal license. Yan. And then agree and get personal edition license. Yan. So just click on that. Yan. Oops. Ayan. Then just click on... Okay, I think that's okay. So, okay na dapat to. Makita mo expiration date is February 13. So, okay na yan. You don't have to click this one. Hindi nyo na kailangan i-click yan na okay na yan. Just click on the X and from there, I can create now a new project. Ayan. Okay? So, yun lang gagawin nyo in case your license is expired. Okay? So, if you have any problem, just don't hesitate to message me.